Well, here we are. Pump Track Central. The good old Rocky Knob, your doors happens to be wide open. All right. The place where I first learned how to bike sickle. Hip. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, this major bike is not best set up for such tight things. All right, warm up lap on the little jam here. All right, we're about to descend on Jumbo Shrimp, the newer blue line from the top of Rocky Knobski. There's Mitchell and Jackson. Mitch setting the pace.
I'm gonna catch you guys. Oh, yeah.
Mitchell on the whip nugget. Uh-oh. All right, let's do it. Oh, Lord. Oh. Oh. Yeah, these corners are pretty tight if I remember correctly. Oh. Woo! Oh, Lord. Oh, my Lord. Yeah, dude, I kind of hit it, but I didn't clear it.
Did you see me hit it?
Yeah.
It's pretty fun. The whip nugget?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Why does my rear feel so stiff?
I tell you, bro, that's because you actually have a kick-ass suspension now.
Oh, that's right.
You said flat.
Hey.
Just like your bike. God, I sound like such a fucking dork.
So a boom stroke, essentially, what you want to do is you want to tuck your knees.
Oh. All right, there we go. More DH. Oh. Whoa. All right. Oh my goodness. What dirt. Oh God, hair in my eyes. Oh, I can't see shit. All right.
Where's this shrimp roll situation?
Farther down.
What? We are past the shrimp. It's up here. Around to the next bend. I was like, man, this is so fun. I know, it's just like no thing. Just adding like jumping off of like random shit. It's just straight flow. It's getting a little muddy as we get further down. Yeah.
Oh. Oh Lord. Oh. I might want to take a look.
It does really hurt to go to flat on this thing.
I bet, dude.
Full honesty, that really hurt my ankle. Yeah, it's a little, like, almost gap. Just slightly squeezed out. Certainly doable as shit. You take high line. Down the slot. I feel like that tree's calling my name.
Right. You got it.
So much build up for that. You totally missed the line, dog.
Yeah. I'm not even clipped in. Did you see that?
Man, I thought you were toasting through.
No, I just didn't have a foot on the peg. Well, all right.
All right, shrimp roll.
Yeah, that was underwhelming.
Oh yeah, Mitch has done it. I've been there. You wanna?
Oh, I'm not clipped in either. Oh, there we are. Oh Lord. Oh. Oh Lord. Oh my God. It's not in the right.
Non-Hodgkin's lymphoma.
So yeah, Jackson, go to the left. I'm gonna go to the right, and you're gonna go straight over through the center.
No hands on the block.
Yeah.
Superman C grab.
Superman C grab or bust.
About to pull a Joe Biden right there.
All right. Oh Lord. Set. Whoa. Whoa. All right, we're on Blue Dream. This is a blue jump line. It's pretty tight, to be honest. Oh Lord. Whoa. Ah.
That was not smooth like it used to be.
Oh yeah. Let's see. All right. Oh. Ugh. Oh. Oh. Damn, bitch. On the girlfriend's hardtail. I said on the girlfriend's hardtail, the little whip nugget.
When you go into a corner, you're just rolling over like.
Dude, I know. Hey, you better keep our knob rocky.
Nah. You can buff out some back at you.
You ready? All right. Oh God. Oh. Come on! Oh my Lord! Oh, that one you got pulled for so hard. Set. Woo! That's such a sweet jump.
was so bad.
Yeah, dude.
Oh no, man, I just cleared that section. I mean, I cleared everything, but I did.
Mitch.
Yay.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, can you get it?
Up, up, up.
Oh my god, dude, he nailed it. Oh. Oh.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh. Whoa. That's right. Come on, Jack.
Come on. Shoots up to the front, comes out your mouth.
Yeah, just a little leaky there.
It's the mental. Conjungled.
Conjungled.
Hey. What the fuck happened? What the fuck's going on here? This thing just attacked me. This thing just attacked me. Oh, gee willikers, I'm so excited.
I bet you.
Down and be like, man, this bike's awesome. It's like you said every time.
Yeah, seriously. Every time you're like, oh, this is gonna suck.
I hope that's the case. I hope I'll get down there I'm like, my ankles. You're like, where's Mitch? And I'm like, the fucking Halloween decoration witch, like on the tree. No, like, remember in The Ritual when he's like,
yeah.
light up.
Oh, it's so dusty. Whoa. Whoa! Oh. Oh my god. Where are you going?
I'm not gonna do it. I'm stuck in there.
Dude, my foot came off mid-air of that tombstone. God damn. Man, this run's so fun, but I do not have energy. All right. Well, classic ride. That last run is always fucking so great.
Dude, being behind Jack, it looked like he was fucking moving at light speed.
Yeah, dude.
Turns, it was like,
Yeah.